To be solving problem 4, given an array that contains numbers from 1 to n minus 1 and, and exactly one duplicate, find the duplicate. Here we have an array from 0 index to 4 where 5 would be the duplicate. The way that I'm going to be doing it is I'm going to be solving it in n complexity. I'm going to be creating an object, an empty object, and then from there I'm going to be keeping track of how many times each of these happen, and at the end I'm just going to be returning the one that is equal to 2. So in this case it would be 5. So for this one I would do array.each do the element, and then if the element, so in this case we're going to do if object dot includes the element, or if it doesn't include, if it doesn't include, so this way if it doesn't include we're going to add it in there, else we're just going to increase the count of object element plus equals 1. So for this one, so just to go through three of these of partial array on there. So we do 2. We say if object doesn't include the element. So here we would pass 2, and since we have an empty object, this would be updated. So then the object will equal 2, 1. And then when we add the number 8, it would be 8 or comma 8, 1. When we add the 5, same thing. Same thing for the 9. And then when we get the 5, this would go up to 2. And then within that we would do it would return the object where the keys is equal to we would return the object where the keys is equal to the value, which would be, we would save the array to value. And this would be n complexity, O of n complexity, because we have to go through each of the arrays and keep track at one point. The one thing that we can improve on this is that I think at this point, if that is equal to that, instead of actually returning that, what we can do, if it's not in the object, because we were saying that it is, we can actually change this and then just return the element, because at that point, if it doesn't fit the first requirement, it would fit the second one, and we actually don't need this down here.